As governors, one of our greatest and most solemn duties, I think, is to promote education and the well-being of our nation's children, and one of the impediments to that is food insecurity. 10% of the children in the United States today, or about 8.5 million children, are food insecure. And that means that at times the quality, the variety, and the quantity of the children's meals are in fact inadequate. This is a serious threat for every state, and not only does hunger threaten children's health, it undermines the economic vitality of our states because hungry children have a much tougher time learning. I'm personally involved in this topic and have devoted a substantial amount of time and resources to this issue in our own state. Freedom from hunger is a fundamental and basic human need. As governors, we are uniquely positioned to draw attention to this issue and, most importantly, bring people together to end childhood hunger. We have the bully pulpit in our respective states to be able to call that attention to it. Lack of proper nutrition during school year or summer months contributes to a cycle of poor performance. Numerous studies show that when a child's nutritional needs are met, the child is more attentive in class, has better attendance, demonstrates fewer disciplinary problems, and shows improved academic performance. Properly nourished children are more active participants in the education experience, which benefits them, their fellow students, and the entire school community. Governors across the country are working to eliminate childhood hunger through the use of a broad range of innovative policies and tools. At the NGA meeting in 2010, an organization called Share Our Strength talked to me about childhood hunger in my own state, which at the time had the nation's highest percentage of children classified as food insecure. That was then and is still unacceptable to me and undoubtedly is to all other governors. So when Share Our Strength approached me in 2010, we immediately signed on and started a No Kid Hungry campaign in Arkansas. And through the work of No Kid Hungry campaign, we've made significant strides. We're improving the access to the programs that provide nutritious food for children and indeed for their parents. That means down the road our kids will perform better in school and have brighter futures. And most importantly, it means kids will have enough to eat and won't go to bed hungry at night. The campaign has cost Arkansas little. Share Our Strength invested private monies to develop an infrastructure. We built a coalition of local hunger groups, state and local government leaders, business leaders, education professionals, chefs, parents, and others with strengths to share. The Arkansas Hunger Relief Alliance serves as the lead nonprofit agency, and my administration, and more importantly, my wife Ginger, who is the most popular person I think in the state, is committed to leading this effort. With generous support from corporate partners, including Walmart, Tyson, and the Midwest Dairy Council, the Arkansas No Kids Hungry campaign is working to increase participation in federal food and nutrition programs, including school breakfast, summer meals, and after-school meal programs, as well as enrollment in the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance, or SNAP, program. It's working. Our team increased the SNAP caseload by 24% between April 2009 and July 2011. We did this by training volunteers and staff at more than 50 local agencies in SNAP outreach. In 2010, we served 263,000 more meals at summer feeding sites than we did during the previous year. We did this by coordinating the efforts of our state agencies and increasing the number of sites where kids could get a meal during the summertime. We've added 71 additional after-school meal programs, and in the first month of operation served an additional 88,000 meals. Under my wife's leadership, Arkansas has launched the Eat Healthy, Play Smart Challenge to support a new breakfast in the classroom pilot program. Incidentally, anecdotally, one of the impediments to breakfast in the classroom was the stigma. And more often than not, a lot of young people who were eligible and needed the breakfast in the classroom were reluctant because of peer-to-peer stigma and pressure. And so by providing it and making it available for all the children, notwithstanding their social status or their economic status or their eligibility, it removes the stigma and creates a greater opportunity for greater participation. We have to make it a priority to end this childhood hunger, and it's our responsibility that our kids and their families have those resources. By making sure no kid goes hungry, we can elevate not just that basic need, but also that educational opportunity and that learning achievement.